Hello friends, welcome to Daring Marandi YouTube channel. Today we will be discussing about preferential trip. Why preferential trip is used on board. So preferential tripping, it is a tripping of non-essential loads when an overload occurs on generator. It is a tripping on non-essential loads when overload occurs on generator. When the generator become overloaded, the preferential trip relay get operated with an alarm to trip selected non-essential loads. So when in the generator it becomes overloaded, then preferential trip will get operated and alarm will come. Why preferential trip is necessary on board vessel means if preferential trip is not installed, when a generator get overloaded, overload trip will get activated, resulting in total power failure. So as well as a result, shutdown, that means blackout of ship will happen. So it is to better maintain generator operating it by some disconnecting some of the content load, which can be effectively done by installing preferential trip in on board vessel. Because if preferential trip is not there, then there will be only overload trip. So if overload trip get activated, then total blackout will be there for a particular period of time. So in order to avoid that condition, it is better to maintain generator operating by disconnecting some connecting load, which can be effectively done by preferential trip. So how preferential trip is arranged on a circuit and where it can be installed? Let's see. So each generator has its own preferential trip and overload trip. So these are installed between generator and bus bar. So overload trip, it is set at 150% current and 20% time delay. So if the current overload happens at a rate of 150% of the current, then within 20 second time delay, overload trip will get activated. And preferential trip is set at 110% current and with a instantaneous operation. If the overload happens above 110%, then it instantaneously the preferential trip will get activated. This is the switch. This is the connection. Main switchboard will be there and non-essential service will be there. Preferential mainly for non-essential service, and overload trip it will trip very fast so that it will have a total shutdown and total blackout of vessel will be happen. Then if a generator get overloaded, then preferential trip get activated and operate the time delay, which will disconnect the non-essential service in specific order at specific interval according to priority. You understand? If a generator get overloaded, then preferential trip will activate and then according it will act instantaneously and it will disconnect the non-essential service in a specific order depending upon the priority. So let's see the order of tripping. Order of tripping varies in each vessel. Most of ship having different according to this, but mostly we can say air conditioning and ventilation within 5 seconds, then refrigeration and cargo plant 10 seconds, and for deck equipment there will be 50 seconds. And still the overcurrent still exists after tripping of non-essential service means then overload trip will get activated after 20 seconds. After that it will trip the whole ship circuit. This part, if the overcurrent still exists after the tripping of non-essential service, like I mentioned, air conditioning, ventilation, refrigerator, cargo plant, deck equipment and all, but still the overload trip still exists, then overload trip will get activated and after 20 seconds the trips the whole ship circuit. So how the preferential tripping is tested means preferential tripping is tested by current injection. It can be tested by current injection. So thank you.